I'm Dr. Skylar. I'm here with Wilbeck Chiropractic. We have Liam here, and so we're just checking out his pelvis, seeing how everything looks.
He's smiling.
Adjustments are real gentle with little ones. We're kind of just seeing how everything's moving, where it's lined up, and if we find any restriction, we just gently kind of rock it into place. Really different than adult adjusting because they're still growing. They're pretty squishy, so it doesn't take too much oomph to get them in the right position. And he's real happy. He's looking around, doing his own thing, thinking about maybe what's for lunch or dinner. Huh, Liam? What are you thinking about? But adjustments for little ones are really great. It helps them function a lot better. So with restrictions in the pelvis, it could lead to maybe like potty issues, like what Liam's experiencing. It could be constipation or long periods of time between having a dirty diaper. So this just helps to make sure that everything is nice and loose and moving the way it should, so it doesn't create any interference there.